can only tell you about me. But I can only tell you about me, about me. I can only tell you about me. I was born on December the 24th on Christmas Eve. Mama say I was better than ham, live up under that Christmas tree. Single parent mother trying to raise 5 kids in the Magnolia. I used to think that we were rich till I got older. Daddy was no soldier because he left well. He died shit, but that's just how it felt. I ain't crying over spilled milk. A lot of dudes, they lost their pop too. But I can only tell you about you coming up. Back in school wasn't hard for my mama's son. Probably one of the smartest kid, far from the dumbest one. Man, when the summer come, I'ma stack a bankroll and do it big. But before I knew it, man, the summertime it came and went. Shit, but now I'm feeling like I'm fucked up. Trying to get a job that's got me feeling like my luck suck. So I pray to God because I'm due for me a blessing. Cause every day that nigga Q be stressing, Q be stressing. Say them niggas out here doing it and they running JC. But I can only tell you about me. Man, they say they got the whole town on fire and I heard they moving keys. But I can only tell you about me. Man, I heard they got some new model cars and they sit on 23s. But I can only tell you about me. Man, I heard that them niggas killing hard and they always got the heat. But I can only tell you about me. Man, I can only tell you about the times when I was slinging dimes on the block and everybody trying to grind to get a